Okay, so our challenge was with Octagon. So it was to get their wrapping room to a 20-degree heat at all times, because if they have it that way, they can guarantee their wrapping, and they can also, it's a better working environment for their employees. So we started with an interview with them, so we could ask them questions about previous attempts and stuff that they've done before and how big their actual space is, so we knew like the best approach. And then we went on to brainstorming. So we did 2 different brainstorming techniques. We did Lotus Blossom and Toes Matrix, and basically from that we got 3 ideas, which was the PVC curtains and a hot and cool fan, the PVC curtains and an infrared heater, and then oil heaters as well with the PVC curtains. The reason we picked the PVC curtains for all of them were there wasn't the biggest budget, so they were a well-priced way to keep heat in when they're drawn, but also easy to move if they need more space. They can just be drawn back. We also thought it linked to summer, because if it is over 20 degrees outside, you're not going to want to trap the heat. You need to open something to let it go. We then moved on to 2 options and used the radar chart to assess them too. So we used A and C, which were the hot and cool fan and the oil heaters. And we basically did the strengths, and they were quite similar, but C fell just behind. So then we moved on to our main solution, which was A, which we decided the hot cool fan would be best to be a vortex heater, because that also purifies air. So if they're working with like paint and wrapping tools, there are chemicals that will come from that. They've also got an asbestos roof, which isn't the best thing to have. So when they're heating and cooling, the vortex heater will also purify the air for their workers for a better working environment again. And then our challenge reflection was just going through how we came to our solutions, different ideas that the whole team put in, and that's about it.